All right, so it's early and I'm wearing a hat today. How crazy is that? Anyways, we're looking at this. It's a OMI thought to action wearable chat GPT, speak, transcribe, summarize. It's one of these, wearable, I want to say, devices that pairs with its own app. I got a little spider right there. Look at that. Nope. No, you can't come here. Anyways, it's one of these wearables that I think will be kind of cool because the big one for me is the summarize. Allows it to, let's say you're in a meeting, going through your day, kind of is able to pick out all the prime parts that are important. So I gotta get my phone, which is in my pocket, so you guys know. And we're gonna scan this here. Okay. My guess is I'm gonna have to set up an account. So I'm gonna do the get started. Yep, choose your device. Very good, standard, I'm guessing. Quick setup, charge your device, download the OMI app. There we go, that's what I want, download. So we're just gonna go here, click that, get that downloaded. I'm gonna set it all up in the background, but I'll show you guys what this kind of comes with here. So open it up. You get a little charger, so USB-C to like a desktop magnetic charger. You get the actual OMI, which would sit on there. Now, I was hoping this was magnetic, but it doesn't feel overly magnetic. Is there anything on here to, nope. Okay, I guess it just sits there. All right. Then you get a little necklace pendant, if you would like. And of course, this is the kind of necklace thing that you put this in, wear it around here. And that's kind of it. That's kind of it. So that's your whole deal. That's your whole deal right there. Yes, I'm going to charge this, set that up. Now, just so you guys can see the app. This is the app right here. Yeah, allow, get started, sign in with something. This guy's got it on his head. Come on now, that's not right. All right, I'm going to sign in here with my Google. Yes. Okay, continue. Lovely. Pretty sure I just did all this. Yes. Continue. Keep saying I'm signing back in. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe if I have to restart, it'll realize I signed in already. All right, I'm gonna figure that out. Maybe this has to be charged. We'll see. And I'm gonna use it for the day if I can, if I can get this to work. And I'll come back and let you know my thoughts on it. Okay, so I've now been using this for a couple days, so I have some thoughts on this. So the first question is, what does this wearable actually do? What does this actually do? Well, the advertising makes OMI feel like you are physically wearing an AI assistant around your neck. And it feels like the advertising says that it's like the intelligence is actually built directly into this pendant. But that's not really how this thing works. It's just so you guys are aware. So the OMI wearable is mainly a hands-free microphone. That's kind of what it is, hands-free microphone. It captures conversations and then sends that audio to the OMI app, where the app takes over. And at that point, it can be transcribed, summarized, turned into memories, notes, action items, etc., etc. But as far as I can tell, the wearable, this part right here itself, is not running the main AI features, maybe no AI features. The app on your phone, OMI's processing services, are what is actually doing all of that intelligent work. So really, you're not wearing the AI. You're wearing a microphone that actually connects to their app and to their AI. So the real question is this just a microphone? And for the most part, the answer is going to be yes. That's really what it is. Now, its main benefit is, I guess, convenience. You can wear it on your clothing and capture your conversations without having to place your phone on a table or holding it in your hand. But because you have to have the app running anyway, you probably had to bring your phone out in the first place. However, again, the summaries, transcripts, and AI responses are all coming from the actual OMI software, not from some kind of AI brain that you and I possibly thought was actually sitting inside the actual pendant. Now, another question is, can you actually use a different Bluetooth microphone instead of this one? And not necessarily. Maybe some microphones may work, but this has little things like, a microphone, but it has all the clickables in it too. So the OMI Wearable is actually designed to integrate with the app, including, again, its controls and its background recording. So a regular Bluetooth headset or wireless microphone may be able to connect, but will probably not provide you with that same experience as you get with this. But from a hardware perspective, OMI is still primarily a wearable microphone. It's just a mic that was designed for their app. Can you use the app without the actual wearable? Can you just use the app by itself? And the simple answer is yes. And I think this is a really, really important part of the whole equation. You can use the OMI app with your phone's built-in microphone and still record conversations. You can still create transcripts and you can still receive summaries. This is not required at all. So what that means is that you do not need to wear the wearable from OMI. You don't. All those features are kind of built into the app itself. Dependent, again, simply makes recording, I guess, more convenient and definitely hands-free. But again, once your phone is out, which it has to be in place on the table, which it kind of has to be just to see what it's doing, they would be hands-free anyway. But for anyone who wants to record, let's say, occasional meetings, using the phone may actually make more sense than you and I buying another device, which I think would be what I think. Now, does their app, the OMI app, need to stay running on screen? Well, the app can run in the background, so it does not need to stay visibly on your screen, but you can't, slide up, right? So you can't go into that background task manager and completely close or swipe away the app. If you do that, the wearable will disconnect, and at that point, it just stops working. So again, if you truly shut it down, the app doesn't work, which means the pendant doesn't work, which means OMI is not really an independent device. It 100% relies heavily on the phone and your app, which means you can't just wear it by itself. You have to use the app with it. Now, the subscription that came with mine was 600 minutes. And my biggest issue, again, is that number of premium minutes that came with it. I think this is just a basic account. So my free plan, again, included 600 premium minutes per month, plus unlimited on-device processing. Once you're in the app, for me, I actually looked and I have already used 531 of those 600 minutes in 2 days, leaving me with only 69 minutes. That's not great. So the problem is that for me, a bit of my own issue, I accidentally left a recording running, and that recording used approximately 400 minutes without me actually realizing it. Which when you think about 400 minutes, that's maybe 6-7 hours? So 6 hours of my allowance gone because of one mistake. And for something, I think that's designed to listen throughout your day for the whole month, 600 minutes can disappear extremely quickly. It's only 10 hours per month in total. So if you are literally doing conference calls for a full day or two, gone. And the app also does not clearly explain what changes when you run out of premium minutes. It says on-device processing remains available, but it is not immediately clear which features, how accurate it's going to be, or which AI tools will physically be reduced. So OMI definitely needs stronger safeguards put in place, such as some kind of warning when a recording has been running for, let's say, several hours. It needs an optional automatic cutoff that you can set up in the app, and a more noticeable recording indicator. I think that's going to be a real big one, because again, if you tuck this in your shirt, you don't even see it. So the question then becomes, who is this for? Well, I can see this being useful for someone who spends, let's say, most of their days in meetings, or you're someone who's in really important conversation. Let's say a salesperson or a manager, or maybe a student that's attending class, a journalist or a consultant. They could definitely use it to create summaries and remember their comments without constantly taking notes. But for my own use, this kind of device just does not provide enough value for the simple fact that I can just use the app. I have no need to record conversations all day. And when I do need to capture something, again, I can just pull out my phone and use the OMI app there if I want. So what's my verdict on this device? Well, I do think OMI is interesting, but it's not a device that I'll be using for sure. The advertising makes it feel like you are physically wearing an AI assistant. But in reality, you're mainly wearing just a simple microphone that's actually connected to the OMI AI app. And the app is doing almost 100% of the work. And the majority of those apps and features you can actually use without actually buying the wearable. Also, you have to add in those limited premium minutes, the risk of accidentally burning through them like me, and the fact that the app still needs to remain active on your phone. I personally do not see enough reason to keep wearing another device when my phone again has to be out on the table anyway. Now, for someone who records meetings and conversations throughout the day, maybe OMI could be useful, maybe. But again, for me, my phone already does enough, and it definitely does not require me to wear this microphone. I don't need to wear it around my neck all day as a nets. Anyways, that's my thought on the OMI wearable, I guess. You know, the app does a pretty good job. Again, you really need to have the app out anyway to actually see if this is truly connected. You need to see if it's recording. You need to see all this because yes, this has some light indicators and some vibrations, etc. But when it's tucked away in here, if for whatever reason it disconnects or if for whatever reason you double clicked when you thought you clicked, there's just too much error. There's too much chance of error. So not for me. Anyways, if you guys are interested, I'll link down to OMI's app so you can take a look at it. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.